They don't know what's coming.
They have no idea. Y'all get back.
Why?
Back up, because I said so. You want to get your fingers blown off? Jesus Christ.
I wonder what's going to happen to everybody.
They're not prepared for this at all.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
We gotta get back too.
Are we far back enough?
You guys are
Back up. Everybody back up.
I'm backing up.
Back up. Look up in the sky.
Holy cow! Oh my gosh! My phone can't even cover all this.
I know.
Y'all got anything better than that?